back, children. Children, in our previous class we have learnt how to arrange the words according to their alphabetical order. Now, if a word is given and every word starts with the same alphabet, then how we will arrange them according to their alphabetical order? Now, we will learn this in this session. The words that begin with the same letter are ordered by looking at the next letter and so on. So, when the first letter is the same for all the words, then we will go to the second letter, search the second letters and arrange them according to the alphabetical order. If the second letter is similar, then we will go on to the third letter and find out the sequence in the third section. So, this is how we are going to arrange the words in their alphabetical order. Now, do you remember the names of the days of the week? Now, number them in alphabetical order. So, we have all the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So, let's number them. So, it is the first day, the second, third, fourth. Then we have fifth, sixth and seventh day. So, there are 7 days in a week. So, this is in a sequence. Now, let's see what we have to learn. Look at this page from a dictionary. Now, there are some words given from a dictionary. A dictionary is a book used to find and learn meanings of the words. So, what is a dictionary? It is a book, a small book which has all the words that are used in the whole world, and we have the meanings of each of the words. Now, these words are written in a sequence as per the alphabetical order. Now, let's see if all the words have the same starting letter. That is, we have here some of the words from the dictionary, and the words are all beginning with the same first letter, that is S. It is safe, safety, same, skull, scare. So, these are the words that begin with S. Now, 3 of the words have the same second letter, that is safe, safety, same. And 2 of the next letters have the same second word, that is C, scalp and scare. Now, let's find out that which is the second letter, that is A, and the second letter in the next segment is C. So, which comes first? A comes first and C second. So, we will consider the first 3 words of this sequence and take safe, safety and same. Now, let's watch out for the third word. The third word is F, and 2 of the words have the same letter F, and the third letter is M in the third word. So, F comes first. Since 2 of the letters have F as the third word, so we will consider the next word, that is E. So, E is the fourth word, that is also same. So, the first word ends in E and the next word again begins with the fifth word. So, the fifth letter will be taken into consideration as the second. So, the first letter we will have is safe. This is the first letter, and safety is the second letter. Then we have the word same, and same will be the third letter. Now, next consider scalp and scare. So, we have the same second and the third letters. That is, scalp and scare have both second and third letter similar. So we'll get on to the fourth alphabet. So fourth letter is L and R. So L comes first. So scalp will be the fourth word and scare will be the fifth word. So this is the alphabetical order that is maintained in the dictionary. Now did you notice that the words are arranged in alphabetical order? Now did you see that? We found it that all these 5 words are written in the alphabetical order. Now arrange these words in alphabetical order. So here you have some words beginning with the same first letter and same second letter. Now consider the third letters and then arrange them according to their alphabetical order. So this is the homework that you have to do, and this is all in this chapter. So children, it is a fun to do. So I'll start with the first letter, as the rest will be your task for your home. Now first letter, how will we find? We'll take the first alphabet. Now the first alphabet is F and it is same for all the words. Second alphabet is A. This is also similar for all the words. Now we have the third alphabet. Third alphabet is M, N, R. Here we have R and L. Now let's see F, N, R and L. 3 of the words have the third letter R, which is same. So we will take into consideration F, M and L. So the first word will be false. So we will write here false over here. Now I think you have got a clue how to arrange them. So I think you can do it. So the rest of the words will be arranged by you in the alphabetical order. So this is all for you children. We will meet in our next class with a new chapter which will be more interesting. So when you are aware of all these alphabets, then we can move on to our next part. So till then, have a nice day. Happy learning.